Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to use bonds to re-engage inactive users. You've already invested time and money to get users signed up, but if they're not active, that effort doesn't translate to results. So, how do you bring them back? That's exactly what we're going to cover. First, you need to define what inactive means for your business. In our case, we're defining active users as those who haven't logged into the app in the past 30 days. To track inactivity, we first need to create a login event. We click on the Customers tab, the Events tab, and then create an event. We give our event a name, an optional description, and event parameters that are necessary for this particular event. And then create event. Now that our login event is set up, let's create a segment to identify inactive users. We build a segment that filters users who haven't triggered a login event in the last 1 month. To do this, you'd have to click on Create Segment, give your segment a name, give it a description which is optional, and then click on Create Automatic Segment. Now you have to select a condition. So you select your condition as event, select your operator as is, and select the value as the login event in which you created initially. So now that you've selected this condition, you're also going to add an additional condition. Reason being because to get the users who haven't been active for the past 30 days. So click on additional option, select parameter which is date, select operator which is previous month, and enter value 30. So here we see all the users that haven't been active for the past 30 days, and then we save this segment. So now our segments have been created. It's our inactive user segment ready. The final step is to engage them automatically. To do that, we have to go to the campaign section. We click on engage, create new campaigns, give our campaign a title, which is also optional, and then create the campaign. So what is going to trigger this campaign would be when a customer enters a segment. So we click on when a customer enters a segment. We choose the segment. Remember, we created the inactive user segment, and then click on next. So here we have the opportunity to set our settings and goals, after which we then create our workflow. Remember, our aim is to re-engage our inactive users, right? So now that we're here, we have the opportunity to set up messages via WhatsApp, email, or SMSs to win them back based off our personalized content. We can decide to send them an email, an SMS, push notification, or whatever we actually do, please. So I'll send an SMS, create new SMS, give it a title, select our sender's ID, and then put in our message content. Click on create and add that to the workflow. As you want on the workflow, so click on next and then start campaign. And that's it. You just built an automated flow in Bonds to re-engage your inactive users and boost retention.